Hello teachers! My name is Jill and I am an online tutor. So ang video na to is for those aspiring Engoo online tutors. Welcome to my channel where we talk about home-based jobs and online teaching jobs. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and tap that bell notification for you to be updated on our next videos. Okay? This video, I will answer some of your questions and clarifications or inquiries regarding Engoo. Just to let you know, if bago ka pa lang, if you check my previous videos, I have uploaded videos on how to apply the step-by-step process and the requirements in applying here in Engoo. And another video is that how to pass the demo lesson in Engoo. Okay? Third video is what are the things that you need to expect if you are applying here in Engoo. And also, I also have a video regarding the frequently asked questions. So, siguro yung FAQs part 1 and ito yung part 2 ng FAQs natin regarding Engoo. So, again, if you want to watch all of those previous videos ko, then I will just link it below in the description box. Or if you want, then you can check all my previous videos. Okay? So, now, let us start. Alright, so let's start sa maraming questions talaga. Ano ba yung video test at ano ba ang mangyayari sa video test? Okay, yung video test po, yan po ang ating step 2 sa application process. So, ang unang mangyayari po is registration. You have to register yourself or your important details like your name, your address, your name, your email address, and then your ID, okay? After you're done with your registration, the next step is you need to answer the video test or the English video test. So, since walang interview, so yes po, tama po yung narinig nyo, walang interview dito sa Engoo. Pero merong video test. Yung video test is somewhat like an English test para ma-evaluate ng Engoo if pwede ka bang maka-proceed sa next step, which is the demo lesson or the training. Okay? So, dito sa video test, ang mangyayari po is you need to answer 2 questions correctly. 2 to 3 questions correctly. So, merong mga if-la-flushness questions. So, ano ba yung mga tanong doon? Some are idiomatic expression. You just need to explain. Ano ba yung naintindihan mo dyan sa idiomatic expression na yan? Another is yung word or any sentences na mga questions. You need to define, describe, or simply answer the questions. And yung pinaka-tip ko talaga when you do your video test, make sure na yung sagot nyo is clear and concise. So, when we say concise, hindi po importante yung mahaba-habang sagot na yan. Ang importante po is sakto. You can answer 1 to 2 sentences only. Straight to the point. Direct to the point. Huwag yung paikot-ikot na mga ideas or paikot-ikot na mga sagot. Okay? And then, make sure that when you do the video test, you followed the rules or kumbaga yung mga rules ng being an ESL. You should record yourself in a silent environment or in a quiet environment. Yung background mo, make sure naka-plain background. And take note, teachers, hindi pala necessary na naka-headphones ka. Okay lang na headset lang yung gamit mo or yung mic ng laptop mo. Kahit wala kang headset or wala kang headphones, that is okay. As long as you make sure na yung environment mo, hindi siya maingay. Okay? Pero, if meron ka namang noise cancellation headset dyan, then, pwede mo yung gamitin. Alright? And, if ever naman hindi ka confident sa first na sagot mo, you can do a redo. Redo. Okay? Redo. You just click the redo and then you need to record again your answers. But, the thing is, it's a different question na naman. Hindi siya yung same question na gusto mong sagutin or yung sinagot mo kanina or previously. It means that when you click the redo, ang mangyayari is you will have a different question. You have 10 seconds to prepare yourself before siya automatic maglo-load na mag-timer siya. Kasi recorded yung answers nyo. Alright? Okay, next. What will happen after the video test? So, after the video test is the connection test. Internet and computer or laptop connection test. So, iti-test ng system kung okay ba, working ba yung video nyo, yung camera nyo, yung audio nyo, kung working ba yung internet nyo. And then, after that one, you just need to submit your application and wait for 3 to 5 days or the maximum is in a week. You just need to wait for a week for the Engoo team to respond to you. Okay? Next question. Pwede bang gumamit ng cellphone or smartphone? The answer is no. Hindi po pwede. Laptop lang po or desktop. Okay? Next, if ever ba hindi ako nakapasa sa video test or sa English test, can I retake or can I have a retake? Okay, my answer is no. Ano naman talaga yung policy ng Engoo or yung rules ng Engoo? Once you failed during the video test or English video test, then it means that you failed. You need to reapply again for 6 months. Pero, maraming nagsasabi na you can apply but just use a different email address. So, para sa akin, discretion yun na yan. Okay? That will be up to you. That will be, like, decision mo na yan or discretion mo na yan kung if you will give it a try or if you will follow or stick to the rule. So, nasa iyo na yan. Okay? I will leave that to you. I will leave that decision to you. Alright? Next, if ever na-failed ako sa demo lesson or dun sa training, pwede bang mag-apply ulit? So, again, according to Engoo, no. Failed means failed and you need to reapply after 6 months. Ganun po yung rules ng Engoo. But, again, palagi ko talagang sinasabi, it's your discretion if you will apply again. Like, gamit ang ibang email address, gamit ang ibang IDs mo during the registration. Again, that's discretion mo talaga yan if you will give it a try or not. Okay? Okay, another question I received is, during the registration, ano ba ang ID? Pwede ba yung, like, company ID mo or yung school ID mo? Okay, for those students na mga 18 years old, 19 years old, or yeah, kahit estudyante ka pa lang, pwede kang mag-apply dito, di ba? So, if you're 18 years old, of course, yung ID mo is just your school ID. Okay, so school ID is okay. It is acceptable. Company ID is okay. It is acceptable. And any government IDs is okay. Alright? So, I hope klaro yun. Okay, if sa video na to, hindi ko nasagot yung mga katanungan nyo, kasi nga, itong mga questions na nilista ko dito, ito yung mga question na natanong sa akin at natanggap ko. So, if ever hindi ko man nasagot yung mga question mo, then it means that hindi pa siguro tayo nagkausap or hindi pa kita na-replyan sa messenger. Kasi ang dami po talagang nag-PPM, and as much as I would love to help each one of you talaga, or as much as I would love to respond to each one of you, pero hindi po talaga kaya in just 1 day or in just 2 days lang, kasi mabablock po ako ng Facebook. Because of sending a lot of messages or sending a lot of replies to all of you. So, please bear with me. And let's tulungan nyo naman ako na mapadali yung mapadali yung process natin dito. Ako, nagkakandak po ako ng demo lesson and mock demo lesson or training. if ever meron ka ng schedule sa Engoo. Pero if wala ka pang schedule training ng Engoo, please wag po kayong mag-book sa akin. Saka na po kayo mag-book pag meron na po kayong schedule training sa Engoo. Okay? Tutulungan ko kayo kung paano makapasa. But dito sa video test or English video test, please, I need you to do your research, do your own research about idiomatic expressions or definitions of vocabularies. Like, lawakan nyo yung vocabulary nyo kasi yun lang naman yung mga tinatanong during the video test. So, please also do your part. Let's help each other. This is a teamwork. Hindi ko po to kaya na ako lang mag-isa. You, as an applicant, kailangan mo din kumilos. I am just here to guide you, okay? So, I hope magtulungan tayo. And regarding sa mga questions nyo, na very common question like how to apply, I am interested to apply. So, please watch my previous videos na how to apply in Engoo. Andun na po siya lahat. Step-by-step process and requirements. If ever hindi klaro yung pagka-explain ko doon, then please mag-comment kayo sa YouTube video. Sasagutin ko po yan within 1 to 2 days or 1 to 3 days. Kasi nga, marami din akong ginagawa, hindi lang itong pag-YouTube or hindi lang itong pag-vlog. So, please also help me with that. Okay? So, I hope magkaintindihan tayo dito. Again, if you want to see more about Engoo related videos, may ginawa akong playlist all about Engoo. So, i-play nyo lang yun lahat. Ando na po yung mga questions nyo before I am doing live sessions talaga. Answering all your questions live. Pero for now talaga, hindi ko siya magagawa kasi sobrang hectic ng schedule ko. Kasi again, hindi lang ako nagba-vlog. Nag-online teaching din ako and I am also planning to have a different source of income then. Okay? So, I hope na let's understand each other and let's have a teamwork. This is a teamwork between you and me. Okay? So, thank you so much, teachers, for your understanding, for your patience, and please comment down if you have any questions na hindi ko na-share or hindi ko na-include dito sa video na to para masagot natin yan, okay? And by the way, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tap that bell notification for you to be updated on our next videos. Thank you and have a great day. Stay safe. Bye!